Hi, this is a German course for beginners. It gets you started with German. This course is visually rich. It covers all the aspects of the German language. You will learn both vocabulary and grammar. The course covers both formal language and colloquial speech, with this distinction made clearly visible. In the course, you'll follow the daily life of a specific family. You learn basic vocabulary used in everyday situations. The course is full of dialogues. These are authentic dialogues you could hear in any German family. That's why informal language is used so much. But more formal language is not neglected either. In the course, you will witness quite a few funny adventures of the family, and not only them. From time to time, there will be a story that usually will also be full of adventures and funny situations. As far as grammar is concerned, it's covered very thoroughly, without cutting corners, and presented in a way that is easy and pleasurable to follow. All the grammatical material is explained in great detail and with appropriate examples. Every 2 or 3 lectures, there's an exercise lecture. Make sure you can do all the exercises before you move on to the next lecture. Pause the video, do the exercises, and then go on with the video to check the answers. At the end of each section, there's a thorough revision of all the vocabulary covered in it. There's also a revision of all the grammar discussed in the section. Make sure to only move on to the next section after you have mastered all the material covered so far. Enjoy the course. Good luck!